Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam. First of all, for you and all the members of the family, I am wishing you happy Pongal. This is a very auspicious day starts today. Today Vishwasnama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Hemant Rado, Magaramasam first day, Thai Masam first day. Today 15th January 2026. Dwadashi, Krishna Bhaksha Dwadashi, Jeshta Nakshatram, Guru Vasaram, that is Thursday. Today's Rahu Alam 1358 to 1525, Yamagandam 644 to 815, Gulegalam 938 to 1104. Today's good time 9:12 to 12:05, then 16, that is 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Today's Shulam South, Pariharam Thailam. Om Sri Matre Namaha.